Hi, I'm Bill Crowley, founder and inventor of all the Quick-Sling products, now part of the DiversiTech family. I have over 30 years experience in the HVAC industry. With the constant threat of storms, snowfall, flooding, even dogs and lawnmowers, it's important to keep your mini-split condensing units elevated, safe, and secure. I'd like to introduce you to Quick-Sling by DiversiTech. Quick-Sling offers a line of mini-split wall brackets that protect the equipment and save time and money. Quick-Sling products are quick to install, safe, stable, and affordable. One of the best ways to protect the mini-split is by mounting it to a wall or a foundation. Quick-Sling offers a full line of mounting options to match the wall type and equipment being installed. Our most popular wall bracket is the QSWB 2000. It comes with 2 powder-coated L brackets and a glider track designed to mount to traditional wall framing. All necessary hardware is included in the box. It holds up to 350 pounds, and the long arms allow for proper spacing between the unit and the wall. For larger units, Quick-Sling offers the QSWB 4000, which supports up to 500 pounds. Both the QSWB 2000 and 4000 are available in stainless steel, ideal for coastal applications. For installation on flat walls like concrete, block, or brick, the QSWB 1000 is best and holds up to 500 pounds. For mounting directly to foundations, the QSWB 3000 is perfect, allowing for proper spacing and reduced noise from vibration. That's the Quick-Sling family of wall brackets. If you're not using these, you're taking way too long for your installations.